Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the view of your files or folders within your Google Drive account. Now I'm going to use this folder here that says photos as an example. And all I'm going to do is just simply double click to open up that folder. And as you can see, I have a ton of different files here showing in, let's say, a list view. And let's say I want to view it because I would like to see what each of these photos are. There are a few ways to do this, guys. Now you can either hover over it and you will see what the photos look like, but of course you'll have to do this for each and every one of those photos. But to change the view so that you can see all of those files, all you have to do on the upper right hand side, just basically select the grid layout. And once you click on this, as you can see there too, it will show you those grid layout so that you can easily preview all of your pictures or whichever files you have very easily. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.